Okay, here's how to find and analyze rehab opportunities in the Bay Area. So let's say you're looking in San Mateo County. What Pellego will do is it'll show you every listing on the market, the same that you would find on any other search platform, except it'll also show you the after repair value and estimated rent for every single listing also. So this allows you to filter by how much spread there's going to be in a deal. So let's say you set a 30% gross gain, which means that you're going to gain at least 30% going from the purchase price to the after repair value. Now you can see properties that fit that description. So if we go ahead and click on one of them, we can start analyzing it. So in this case, we see a property that needs some new floors, needs a new kitchen, needs a lot of new things. And so we see the photos at the top. And if we scroll down lower, we'll get to the comparables. And Pelago's comparables are designed to try to pick the comps that are in the most renovated condition or the most indicative of a flip. So if we look at this photo, this property, we can see that it's in pretty good shape. It looks a lot more renovated than the subject property. So this property sold for 2.7 million, and from there, Pellego, to get you to what the after repair value might be, Pellego does a number of adjustments. So, for example, here there's an extra bathroom in the subject property. That means that the subject property, after it's renovated, should be worth more than this property was. So in this case, we see an $81,000 adjustment. The lot size is a little bit bigger, and so we put another 200,000. And so these kind of changes help you broaden your comp search. And one of the most important parts of this comp adjustment is the appreciation. There's the conventional wisdom is you want to keep your comps only a few months out, and so you get the most accurate representation of the current market. But that doesn't factor in for outliers. So by broadening your search and going back a whole year, you're going to see a lot more of a rounded market, provided that you're adjusting for things like the appreciation. So in this case, since October 22, we've seen a $24,000 appreciation, so just about 1%. So in this case, it's not a huge amount. But then we have other ones like since June 2023 on this property, we see a $99,000 appreciation adjustment. So this just helps you see how, hey, that property that sold in October last year is actually closer to the current market conditions than this one is that sold just a few months ago. So after we've looked at our comps, and you can adjust the search criteria for these comps as well, then we go down to the calculator. And so here we've got a resale calculator that's like your flip calculator, as well as a rental calculator. So all the things that are in yellow, you can edit. All the things that are in gray, that means that they open up a formula for it. So for example, the listing commission is set at 2.5%. Maybe you're your own agent, so you're only going to be paying $1,000. So you can type that in, and that's going to adjust all of your costs. So it's going to adjust your selling costs, and that's going to translate to adjusting your profit. You can see the rehab amount. You might want to change this. We have like a resale calculator that can give you, approximation of what something might cost. You might want to budget on the higher side. So let's say you put 150,000, and we're going to see that reflected over here. So that's how to use Pellego to find and analyze deals, and hope you get a lot of use out of it.